Are you looking for new construction? If so, join us at our free home buying seminar and discover quick move-in homes as early as September. Presented by the Evans Group in partnership with DR Horton, explore a stunning brand new townhome community located in Brandywine. These fabulous townhomes feature spacious floor plans. You have 1-car and 2-car garage options. So join us and receive expert guidance on the home buying process. Don't miss this opportunity to find your dream home before the holidays. RSVP by scanning the code below, and we'll see you there on Saturday, July the 26th, 2025, from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m., located at 7451 Fern Gully Way, Brandywine, Maryland. See you soon.